set then for the market open, and it seems like we're headed in for a quiet start. Let's see whether we pick up optimism from the Chinese rebound or actually fall prey to the adjustment of money moving into the Chinese markets. Just very mildly tempered, 24,833. These are just early days, so I don't think you should go by that flat print just yet. What about the large caps? Let's check in on those. Whether Nifty IT and the uptick there persists and continues from yesterday. Nifty Bank, of course, is a lot more tempered. Nifty IT absolutely flat in trade. It's not quite the island of safety that one has seen it play out to be in the last couple of trading sessions. Individual movers then, and I want to check in on what an LTIM, persistent, LTTS, the movers from yesterday, Infi, TCS are up to. Again, not seeing much of a meaningful move there for sure. Banks, let's come to that, considering that's at the focal core of the market. SBI after that 3% slide in the stock yesterday. HDFC Bank after that failed attempt at a recovery. Ditto was the case with an Axis as well as an ICICI Bank as well. You are seeing some dots of green, but again, inconclusive a move just yet. Flat for ICICI Bank as we speak right now at 1232 thereabouts. Let's talk individual movers. And you couldn't have taken your eyes off from Ola yesterday, and it seems that the sentiment is still very much going to be soured. The CCPA has provided 15 days to Ola Electric to respond to the show cause notice with regards to the bunch of consumer complaints regarding their EV scooters. Ola Electric now at $87. Tata Motors, JLR's retail sales have come in lower. It's a downtick of 3% on a year-on-year basis. Tata Motors down a good 2.5% and is just about defending that 900 rupee per share price point as we speak right now. On the other hand, for M&M, there's a CLSA upgrade to now outperform from the earlier hold. They've upped the target price also to 3,400 rupees per share. 3106 on M&M. This has clearly been the star from within the auto pack X two-wheelers. Nykaa, mid-20s revenue growth in second quarter led by both beauty as well as retail. So look out for that. Skipper, Nuvama has initiated a buy, target price 650. For Tata Power, Nomura initiates a buy with a target price of 560, and JSW Energy, wherein the target price has been put at 885. That's the other stock which is also going to be in focus this morning.
Yeah, but just tracking the sector moves for now, you do have, the financial service space, which is actually bucking the trend right now. So HDFC Bank is doing okay. After the volatility yesterday, SBI, Axis Bank, they are holding in the green as well, but just mildly so. FMCG is actually led by HUL today. So yesterday it was ITC that was doing the trick for the bulls. Today it is HUL which is holding its ground, higher by almost 2%. What's clearly on the back foot is metals. So a lot of that trade that we saw last week, wherein of course China was doing well, and there was that tailwind for metals as well. Given the fact that China has cooled off today, we have the metal stocks also on the back foot. So Nalco, Tisco, Hindalco, Welspun Corp, Jindal Steel, all of these names are in the red right now. So individual movers at play in the trading session today. But
there comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.